Good morning, everyone. This is Spencer Jones. We had some unprecedented issues with our internet connection, and so we had to start a little late. We already started, but the connection lost in between, in the middle, and then we are starting again. So, we are in day 3 of our live broadcast where we are talking about online income in uncertain times. You know, the pandemic is going on and the lockdown is happening in many places and many people's lost their jobs. What I want to do is I want to help by sharing what I know about making money online, so that if someone can benefit from it, it will be a great help. So today our topic is going to be making money selling without having any products on your own. So how to make money online if you don't own any products? That's what we are going to be talking about. Yesterday I would like to give you a quick recap. Yesterday we covered the basic concepts of making money online, and it involves, like I said yesterday, three parts, and I would like to give you an overview. And it's the first thing is to offer something of value. It's your offering or your commodity, and that's what first of all you need to have. Then you need to have a platform where you will build an audience with your offering, for your offering. And then finally it's a transaction, how you will make money off of your audience. So first is the offering, where you have something of value to offer your audience. Then is the platform where you will connect with your audience, and then third is the transaction, where you make money off of your audience. And today I want to talk about, yesterday I covered regarding the transactions, I covered a vast number of methods, many methods with which you can make money. And one of the things that I talk about is affiliate marketing and affiliate sales, and that's what I want to talk about today. And it is the easiest way to make money online, and it is to sell as an affiliate, because it is the easiest way, because you don't need to have any products or a service or a big audience to start with. What do you want to do? What will you do if you don't have a product? What will you do if you lost your job and you have something inside that you know that can be beneficial to someone? So without even owning a product, what will you do? The best way to do is to promote somebody else's product as an affiliate. And everyone knows about this Amazon and how you can promote products on Amazon, and that's the most common affiliate program that you know about. Amazon Associates program, where you can make money. It will be let me take you to the screen, right, to my Mac screen right now, and let me show you. If you go to Amazon and scroll down, you will be able to see that able to see that there is an option called Make Money with Us. That's where you can become an affiliate. There will be a link called Become an Affiliate. Once you click that, you can become an affiliate for Amazon. So that's how easy it is to sell as an affiliate. So I would like to talk about how this affiliate sale works. This affiliate sales is something that anybody can do, even if you don't have a product, even if you don't have a service, or even if you don't have a big audience. You can even promote your products on other platforms like Facebook, or share with your friends and then make money. So whatever you can recommend to your friends or anything, that's the easiest way to make money. And so I would like to show you how this affiliate sales works. How this affiliate sales works is that, in this example, it is Amazon gives you a percentage, part of the profits that they make to you as a reward for promoting them. Now I would like to talk about the physical versus digital products. There are two kinds of products that you can promote. On Amazon you are promoting mostly physical products. Also there are ebooks in Amazon, digital ebooks which you can promote. Other than that, there are it's not, most people know about Amazon, but it's not just Amazon. You can promote products on a wide range of websites, wide range of products. You can just promote any products. I would also like to show you two different affiliate platforms. CJ.com, this is the biggest physical products affiliate platform where many number of lots of thousands of affiliate products which you can promote. Also for digital products, you can go to clickbank.com. This is a digital products marketplace where you can find softwares, ebooks, and a lot of digital products. Now let's talk about the difference between physical and digital products. When it comes to physical products, you will only make a small profit, like from 5 to 30%. 5 to 30% is what we will make for physical products. But when it comes to digital products, since it's digital and there is no physical inventory, you can make a lot more. Like you can make like up to 75 to 80% if you promote physical this digital products. So digital products are more preferable if you want to make big commissions. When it comes to this digital products, any products at all, you need to first ensure that you're promoting what you're using. You don't have to need to simply promote it and spam, because it's not going to work. If people need to buy your product, they need to have trust and relationship. Only if you build that relationship and trust with your audience, they are going to buy from you. So you need to note that, which is very important. Now I would like to talk about the physical versus digital products. The digital products, like I said earlier, is going to give you a lot more return, and you can easily promote digital products like ebooks and softwares. You can even in your computer you may be finding many programs. Like right now what I'm using is a digital product. This software which I'm using to broadcast right now is called Ecamm Live, and it also has an affiliate program. So if I want to promote to my audience right now, I can simply promote this Ecamm Live. I can use my link, put my link in my description, and I can say that you can go check it out. You can also check out description right now. You will be able to see that I have a lots of affiliate links to my products, like my MacBook Pro, the camera that I'm using most of the links that you find in the description below this video is going to be affiliate products, Amazon affiliate products. But when it comes to digital products, like for my audience, I can recommend a web hosting program where I host my website. Then I can promote the autoresponder, the list building system. I can promote a lot of programs when it comes to digital products. And the thing about digital products is the concept of making a recurring income. And some of the digital products are monthly memberships. There are monthly memberships like this. Ecamm Live is a monthly membership. There are other programs which is monthly memberships. So there is a potential to make money each and every month. That's a recurring monthly income that you can build with membership sites and softwares which has a recurring payment option. So that's a great advantage of promoting recurring affiliate programs. So that's an overall overview of how this affiliate sales works and how you can make money even if you don't own your own product. So if you're on someone who is starting out and if you want to make money immediately, then see what you're already using, what camera you are using, what mobile you are using, whatever you are using. If it's something like books, what books you read. If it's something like uh, courses or memberships, or maybe software, what software you use, you can actually see if that software or membership or has any affiliate program, and then you can recommend it to your audience and make money that way. It's the easiest way which you can immediately start with. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, please click the like button and do share it with your friends and someone you think will benefit out of this. So I'll not be coming again live on Sunday. I'll be coming again on Monday, and that's 10th of August, I think. That's 10th of August. I'll be coming again on 10th at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So do join me if you're interested. And if you want to if you're interested in making money online, if you want to know more about how this affiliate program works, how to make money using YouTube as your platform for building your audience, or if you want to know more about your offering and commodity and what you can offer to your audience, so please subscribe and also click the bell notification icon so that you'll get notified when I will come again with a new video. So thanks for watching. This is Spencer Jones. See you in the next video. Bye.